bullets. You can't get me. You missed, sucker. Oh, no!
Where did even that bullet go?
I go over there by the couch.
Oh, yes, I got it.
But I still got an extra bullet. Oh, you almost hit your sister.
Yeah.
Your base fell apart. You shall go down.
David, where did you shoot that bullet?
By the door.
Oh, by the door? Which door? This? Oh, like the other.
Yeah. This bullet sucks.
Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, your defenses are down. Ah! You done! I done it! Oh, dead.
Yes! I won! Yes!
No, you didn't. I'm joking, I did. Round 2. Starting in 3, 2, 1. By the way, it's a nerf jolt battle. We both got the jolt. Jolt. Oh,
Yes! I won again!
death.
First one to killing them 10 times win.
Okay.
I killed
Hi.
David 2 times.
3.
Oh yeah, and David killed me 0 times.
Round 4. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, dodged it. Dun, 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 dun. Ninja stealth mode.
What? No! So where did the bullet go?
Right by your yellow belt.
What yellow belt?
Your yellow belt that's on the floor by your base. Yes! In your face!
No! You're gonna have to pay for this, David.
Round 5. Do, 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 do.
You'll have to pay for this.
I'm going for it. The double bullet. No! Oh!
Yes! I won first shot! It's the Call of Duty. 1 shot, 1 kill. Yes! Dude, no.
I know.
I don't have a single bullet.
You have 2, actually.
Yeah.
I am the loser so far.
Yep, you're losing. And I'm
Do,
winning.
do, 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 do. Oh! Do, do. Oh, my leg.
Yes! I killed him again!
Here, take 1 bullet.
Oh, goal!
Really?
It landed in the big shark's finger place.
I get 2 points for that.
No,
1.
no,
Yeah.
no, David.
Dude,
You did not shoot me!
I get 1 point for that.
Okay, fine, you have 2 points and I have 4.
Yes. Oh, actually 5.
Yeah.
Round 6.
Yeah!
Ugh.
Where did that bullet go up?
Where did that bullet go that you shot at me?
About how much minutes has it been?
It's only been 4. Okay, dude, no, we have to find the bullet.
Yeah, but I'm putting the camera, dude.
Dude, where's the blue bullet? Or did I shoot that at you as well?
Wait, I think you did. Let me see.
guys like Nerf guns, get a jolt. It can fit in your shirt, in your sock, anywhere, even in your underwear.
Okay.
I'll just use that bullet. Now back to the game. Round 6. Do. Oh, miss. Oh, that bullet sucks. Oh, so close. Yes.
You got 3. I got 2. And I got 5. I'll pay for this.
I'm catching up. Round 7. Oh, yeah. I got 4 points.
Did you find that bullet?
Nope.
Oh. I found it.
Oh, good. Yeah. I'm catching up fast.
Yeah, but you have no pay for it.
Oh, yeah? Oh, so close.
I shot you.
Oh,
I saw the bullet hit you.
Round. Wait, what round is this?
Oh, it's round 7.
No. 8.
Oh, yeah.
10. Oh! Yeah. Oh, no. Dun. Oh!
Die.
I got 5, you got 6.
Yep.
That also, wait, where's the other bullet?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, I'm stupid.
See? Stupid Daisy.
Stupid Harrison. It's 5, 6. Dude, you're so close.
Yeah.
What? You never saw me yet.
Really, the bullet popped out.
How am I sucking it? Oh, it's so close. I so got it. It's 6-6.
Yeah, you don't pay for this.
No. Now it's round 10. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was such a good dodge. Dude, that almost
Where
hit.
did that bullet go?
Bonk.
Oh,
Oh wait, where's that other bullet?
oh, that bullet. Right there.
Oh, okay.
Stupid idiot.
There you go. That was such a dodge.
Let's do this. Yes! I killed David.
6, 7.
I'm gonna see how much minutes it to be.
Low battery, 10% remaining. It's been 9 minutes and 34.
Okay, so I have 3 more rounds.
Yeah.
I mean, 4